Oh.
You're snoring! Whatever. You've got flour all over my couch. Jump out, jump out, jump out. Oh. Don't snore around me. Hey, good thing it's Lockie's car and not mine.
How do you feel, bro?
I nearly had a heart attack, bro. Alrighty guys, Alex is sleeping out there on an air mattress in the lounge room. Let's go push him out into the river and wake him up, because he's snoring far too loud. You stupid idiot! You silly bum! That's one way to wake up, isn't it? Bro, what are you wearing on your face? You were snoring loud, bro. You alright?
Yo, you're crazy, bro. What time is it?
Like midday? Back to sleep he goes. Alright guys, Lockie is snoring far too loud in there, so let's go wake him up. Now time for the best part. Sorry, Lockie.
Alligator?
That's you! That's you snoring! He said an alligator. I said an alligator. Good night. Happy birthday, Nigel! The monster has risen!